In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step through the creation of a navigation bar and a drawer in Flutter using a StatefulWidget. We'll build a page with multiple tabs and a side drawer that provides additional navigation options for the app. Now that we've cleaned up main.dart. Next, I will create the navigation page and call it from main.dart. In this step, I'll define the navigation page as a StatefulWidget. Now, I will return to the scaffold and add the app bar with a proper title. The app bar will serve as the header of the page, and I'll set a meaningful title to match the page's purpose. First, I will import my navigation page. Okay, my title is set. Now, I will create the body section of the scaffold. This will display the content of the page based on the user's navigation choice. I'll set up a list of pages, each representing a different section of the app, and the body will update dynamically depending on the selected tab or menu item. I have 4 navigation bar pages here. Now, I will set index as 0 here. After this, I will create my bottom navigation bar button in my body section. Now, I'll set the body of the scaffold to display the appropriate content based on the selected tab. To do this, I'll use the current index variable to dynamically choose which page from the list to show. The list of pages will be indexed, and depending on the selected index, the corresponding page will be displayed. Next, I will add a bottom navigation bar to the scaffold. This bar will provide a set of navigation items at the bottom of the screen. Each item corresponds to a different section of the app: Home, Create, Settings, and Profile. The current index will determine which tab is selected, and this will allow the user to switch between different sections. I will copy and paste for the remaining bars like Profile, Create, Settings. Now, I'll set the type property of the bottom navigation bar to bottom navigation bar type.fixed. This type is useful when we have a fixed number of items in the navigation bar, and we want the bar to display all of them at once without any scrolling. In the bottom navigation bar, I'll implement the onTap method. This method will update the current index whenever the user taps on a tab. By using setState, we ensure that the UI will refresh and display the corresponding page from the pages list. Now, I will change the icon and label of remaining bottoms. My navigation button is ready. Now, I will add drawer here. I will add menu in drawer header. Now, your navigation page is ready.